I would like to know what putting Dawn Guard in the microwave means. Somebody's asking if we put Dawn Guard in the microwave
It's
yet.
something that I think Night Watch does.
Oh, that explains. You mean the time it was
Do they want us to just do a little wave?
When they're showing off fashion.
Okay.
Microwave, please.
Got it.
Microwave.
Microwave.
We have put the Dawn Guard in the microwave.
Chicken. Chicken. Ooh.
Oh, okay, because there was that sticky that said don't put entertainers in the microwave.
Yeah.
Unless.
You have to wait until they're done.
You have to be really careful. If you leave something in the microwave too long, it might explode.
Nope. There we go.
Okay, my turn. And since I'm wearing the shirt of the year,
Ooh.
Ooh.
Appropriate.
Modeling.
What setting did you put him on?
Wow, your microwave turns very slow.
We're reheating
Yeah.
that.
We're reheating at a low setting.
Matt?
Matt.
Please spark.
Don't put Mattel in the microwave. It's bad for it.
I'm a little chilly, so there's a part of my brain that's like, I want to get in that.
Yeah.
Oh, now he's all wilty.
the cheese melted.
And challenge complete.
Ah, the song of my people.